It's playoff season. Tickets are incredibly hard to come by, but today's meal planners already have the winning ticket. What's a surefire way to help young scholars achieve better test scores, have stronger memory, and better concentration? And how can we give parents a break in the morning while still giving kids the energy they need to start the day? Yep, you guessed it. School breakfast, touchdown! Score big with school breakfast in the cafeteria, in the classroom, or grab and go. By using Buena Vista 3-day and 5-day meal kits, everything you need for a fun, balanced breakfast, ready to go, just add milk. So keep the penalty flags off the field. Delay of meal. False start. Personal foul. Unnecessary source of hunger. And plan now for National School Breakfast Week, March 8th through the 12th, 2021. Face mask violation, unsportsmanlike facial hair, repeat training.